So I've already primed my face with the Unique Touch Glorious primer and put on a oil before that, of course. And I'm going to try out a new thing where I powder my face before I put on my foundation, and hopefully that will help with my oily skin. So I'm taking the Airspun loose face powder and a flat head angled brush, and I'm just patting the powder all over my face. Now that we are done with that, I'm going to put my concealer on, and I'm using the NYX Studio Photogenic Concealer in Fair. And I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender. Now for foundation, I'm going to be mixing the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation in Fair, and I'm mixing it with white because I'm definitely not this color anymore. This is my summer color, so I bought a white to mix with it, and they go great together. Now that I've mixed the right shade, I'm going to go with this lighter one right here. I'm going to apply it with my Dampened Beauty Blender just like I did with my concealer.
Stand down, made our own way. Never going slow, we pick up the pace. This is what we wanted from a young age.
Now that I look crazy, I'm going to go in and set my foundation with the same Airspun powder. Now that I'm super full coverage, I'm making a video, shut up. I hate you so much. You're so annoying.
I was watching the video and then all of a sudden you whisper, so if I...
I'm not whispering. Shut up. Now that I'm done setting my face, my foundation will stay on longer, of course, because you shut the fuck up. I'm going to set my face with the NYX matte finish spray. Shut up.
I'm trying to get the milk out of my throat.
Stop. Next, I am taking my Unique Sculpting Trio. Okay. This is in the shade Light. So I'm going to contour my face first. I'm taking my e.l.f. contour brush, I'm pretty sure it's what it's called, and dipping into the contour. Now that I'm done with my nose area, I'm going to take that cream highlighter and just pop that on the tip of my nose as like a base highlight, I guess. Next is blush. I'm going to be using the Unique Mood Struck Powder Blush in Serene. And again, not too much because this is so pigmented. Then I'm going to get started on my brows because they need to be done. And I'm going to use the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil, or whatever this is called. And I'm pretty sure it's in gray brown, but okay, so now it's time to start the eyeshadow. I'm priming my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base, and it's white. For this look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Nocturnal eyeshadow box. For the base or transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right there, or ABC Gum. And for the next color, I'm going to go in with Fireball, which is this really cute pink shadow. Anyways, it's nice, it's pink, and it has like a purple shimmer to it, which is gorgeous in my opinion. This is beautiful in its own, but I'm gonna go 3 steps further and add Backfire, or this really pretty purple color. It's like, looks like satin. And all of these colors in their Nocturnal shadow box have like a really cool finishes. They have really pretty finishes. Now that that is done, obviously I'm not keeping this shape because this shape is honestly atrocious. Like, we don't do that here, we don't do that. So I'm gonna go in with Heroin, or this rich blue. Okay, pigment, I just literally tapped it in there, and it does seem to have quite a bit of fallout. Pray for me. This is like really weird. Like, it's like kind of patchy. And it looks kind of gray on my eyelid. I'm gonna go on with a more detailed brush and try and make it more pigmented. Honestly, this is what I did a couple years ago. Just faded it like no definition at all, and it just looks like cut off right there. Now I'm gonna take black out, or it's just a black, and try to darken the outer edge because it just kind of looks a bit weak, you know? Now that that is over and done with, I'm going to take a concealer brush and clean up these edges, because like, look at what happened. I'm going to take this little tiny side and put a little bit of heroin, which is the blue, on my lower lash line. This blue definitely isn't the smoothest. It's pretty patchy. I'm also going to use the unique Mid-Struck Precision Pencil in Polar to line my lower lash line. Also going to attempt to tightline. I'm going to put on some mascara, and of course, you already know I'm using my Wet n Wild crap. I'm using the Mega Volume and Mega Wear as per usual. And to tie the look together, I'm going to be using the Unique Splash Liquid Lipstick in the color Spellbound. And it's a gorgeous dark purple. This is the finished product, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!